Pocket-hole jigs come in various shapes, sizes, and price points. A classic pocket-hole jig system consists of the jig and an integrated clamp that holds the workpiece in place. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best pocket-hole jigs for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. General Tools Pocket-Hole Jig Kit. Metal trumps plastic when it comes to durability, which makes this pocket jig from General Tools such an attractive option. Made from aluminum, this affordably priced heavy-duty pocket jig holds up through many pocket drilling projects. General Tools equips the 850 with an easy-to-use built-in clamping system, which helps speed up projects. In addition to the jig, this kit includes a drill bit, stop collar, and hex wrench along with a starter set of 48 screws, 24 wooden picket hole plugs, and a hard plastic carrying case. This pocket-hole jig kit functions as a portable jig or as a bench-mounted tool. At number 4. VEVOR Pocket-Hole Jig Kit. The Pocket Jig Kit is a splendid solution for a fast, accurate, and secure way of joining various kinds of woods, including some synthetic and composite materials. Setup is quick and easy, features 2-unit scale and rich accessories, which is excellent for novices, hobbyists, and professionals alike. All measurement markings are included on the jig to reference how thick your project materials are direct. Markings are in both imperial and metric units. You can quickly adjust the height of the slider according to the thickness of the board. Loosen the thumbscrews and set them to the appropriate thickness. The woodworking pocket-hole jig features 2 chip removal holes to reduce the bits of wood in the air for dust-free drilling. At number 3. Milescraft 7336 Pocket Jig 200XCJ. The Milescraft Pocket Jig 200 pocket-hole jig allows you to connect your workpieces in a quick and timely manner. Whether you want to build storage projects, cabinets, shelves or bookcases, this kit does it all. Allowing you to create corner joints, T-joints, framing joints, miter joints and do repairs. With built-in settings for board thicknesses, there is no need to manually measure. Just set this pocket jig to your desired setting, set the depth of your bit and start drilling. Spring-loaded sled adjustment button easily adjust to your board thickness setting with the single sled design and sled adjust button. Tight tolerances between the bushing and the drill bit, reduce tear out and create a clean and precise pocket hole on the first try. At number 2. Kreg KPHJ 520PRO Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO. Build pocket-hole projects anytime, anywhere. The Pocket-Hole Jig 520 is the most versatile jig yet from Kreg with features that adapt and adjust to suit your project building needs. Versa grip makes clamping intuitive. Just squeeze the handle until your material is clamped securely. It also rotates 360 degrees so you can work with the jig in multiple orientations. Getting ready to drill pocket holes is easy. Preset material thickness settings on the drill guide block makes setup fast, and an adjustable stop offers repeatability when drilling pocket holes in multiple pieces of similar thickness. With the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO, you get a 2 inches, 51 mm, face clamp, 100 Kreg pocket-hole screws, and a free project plan so you can start building right away. Finally at number 1. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 Pro. The Pocket-Hole Jig 720PRO comes with the Kreg docking station, giving you enhanced support, stability, and storage. Includes 2 material support wings, an adjustable stop for repeatable drilling, and a pocket-hole jig clamp to secure to a workstation. Clamping is more efficient than ever with the Automax dual-action clamp. Simply press down the handle to simultaneously clamp your material and automatically adjust for material 1/2 to 1.5 thick. Material stays clamped securely and won't shift thanks to Grip Max Anti-Slip. It helps keep your workpiece steady when clamped. The sturdy spine of the Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is reinforced with steel, which allows you to work confidently on all your projects for years to come. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.